Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chidema Crochet. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this beautiful clutch bag using twine thread. I've already made several bags using twine thread, so go to my channel and you will see other designs and patterns how to make different bags. But this particular one, I can see that this one is one of the most beautiful ones. You can see blue color, can use it for wedding, any occasion. It's classy and very simple to make. So try not to miss any step of this video so that you can make exactly what you see here. Yeah, so watch out what I did. I will explain all I did here step by step. Forget about the joint. Just make 100 chains. 100 chains from here to here. I have 100 stitches here. That means 100 chains. Then you make 50 rows. This is the row like this. 50 rows. So that is how I got this one. Then this one is the side bag. I've already taught how to make this particular one. I made it too. I already taught how to make it on my old video, but I will still explain it here. So here I made 25 chains. Here I maintained the 25 chains on the next 3 rows, then started using the both end on the 4th, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34th row. Then after that, I make single crochet round it. Then here I will count out 34 stitches from both sides. 34 here, then 34 here. Then the remaining 25, I will then fix this side back on the middle. Then stitch it round. Like this. Then the other one, I will also fix it the other side the same way. Like this. Then stitch it round. So this is what I will have at the end after fixing it. You can see it. Yeah, so I stitch it round. So after that, I'm going to make slip stitch round this bag. So you walk around the bag to this point. So I make it 3 rows. You walk 3 rows round it. Remember, slip stitch. So here I'm going to crochet this one like this. So don't crochet here. Skip all the stitches by the side. Then start working from the main bag like this. So you can see I joined the sides together. You make a slip stitch. That's it. Then on the next stitch, continue working slip stitch till you make 3 rows. I mean till you make 3 rounds, not rows. So you can see it. So you continue working till you make 3 rounds of slip stitch. So once you reach here, you are going to join this one together and then the side ones. You join it like this. Then continue working. Yeah, you can see it. 3 rounds. You can see it. So here I'm going to start working from this side. So I will start working on one side now. At the end here, make one chain, then turn. Continue working. Once I reach here, I make one chain, then turn. So I will start working only on this side now, then leave the other side. So you make one chain, that's it. Then you turn. So here I'm going to crochet from the first stitch. So I will maintain it on this, just this first row. Then on the next row, I will start reducing the both end. So I work single crochet all through on this first row. So continue working with that till you reach this point. There you can see it. So on this cover, you can see I reduced the both end and I did use the same pattern I used the other sides. So on this cover, I was making single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch. So that is how I got it. That's it. So here I made 24 rows. 24 rows on the cover. So now I'm going to fix the padlock. You can see it. So this is how it comes. So I'll fix this one here. Then fix the other one here. Here. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing is to fix the chain. You can see it. Wow. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Watch out for more videos on crochet, both shoes, handbag and other crochet products. Thank you. Bye.